We can't be the Holy Trinity. What can we be? We could be the Neapolitan.
Wait, but I thought we were Tennessee Delight.
Oh,
Yes.
Tennessee
That's
Delight.
our country.
Tennessee Delight coming to Stagecoach on the small stage this summer.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beauty Break. We have a very exciting episode for you today. It's very nostalgia-based.
It is nostalgia based because it's all about My Little Pony
My Little ponytail.
Okay, here's one thing.
Show
So
off.
ColourPop did
Not good.
ColourPop did a brand new collection all about My Little Pony, but one thing I gotta let you know is it's not a live action film.
What? It's the makeup.
I know, but like it's based on a film that came out.
Let's try the makeup. Look how cute they are.
I just want the bag. Can I keep the bag?
Yeah.
It's gonna be your
Oh my
everyday
gosh, you guys makes me so happy. Remember you could scratch and sniff their butts?
Yep, the plastic toys.
I did. I had a lot of the toys. I don't really remember watching it. I definitely did, but I think I was so little that.
Yeah, you were probably
Yeah,
very
I just
small.
remember the theme.
Cute! This is for 3-year-olds and above. What is this?
So we're safe.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute!
Oh, it comes with a little.
There
When
you
I
go.
was a little girl, my grandma used to take me to thrift stores so I could find My Little Ponies and buy them for like 10 cents.
Got some used toys.
I have so many My Little Ponies, you
Do
guys.
you have them still?
Yeah.
My mom made me throw away all of my toys from when I was little, and she sold all of my Beanie Babies. And recently,
how much?
I mean, not for a huge dollar value.
Okay, well,
maybe.
I had like hundreds of them, and they were in a
too.
big bin in the garage,
Yeah.
and I kept them in very pristine condition.
Me too.
And she sold all of them for $20, but it was to a
I'm
special
really
ed teacher, and she gave them away
Oh,
as gifts.
that's cute.
Or as
Okay.
like prizes in
That's
a class. So I
different.
was like, well, now I can't even be mad. So is this for
Conditioner.
children?
No, the toy is for
No.
children, but I think the makeup is for people who claim
Anyone?
to be adults.
Okay. Here's a pressed highlighter. Ooh, it's very
That's
nice.
pretty. I like that.
Friendship
It does.
makes magic, guys. Friendship makes magic.
Oh, cute!
Look at
That's
these fun
pretty.
colors, you guys. I would never wear any of them.
We just talked about this in another episode. I get really stressed out when we do anything with eyeshadow because I just don't know what to do with it.
I think we should play with it. I think I might be surprised.
Ooh,
So this is the Ultra Matte Lip, which ColourPop has become super well known for.
Because
matte sticks.
plot twist, isn't it the same formula that Kylie uses?
Do 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 do.
I'm just trying to take all these
fun.
out so I can see my options first. That is very bright.
Very bright, very bold. Makes my lips look very microscopic, which is
It's okay. Not everyone can have.
luscious lip. Wow, Erin.
Punch in the face.
Yeah, what's going on?
I got it carried away. It was really pigmented. So I was trying to blend it out.
Yeah.
And it just turned into Tina Fey real quick. Remember her?
Tina Fey.
My grandma
Or
used
you
to tell
mean
me
you mean
stories.
Tammy Faye Baker?
That's what I meant.
I was like Tina Fey. Like
I
I don't even know if she wears.
when has Tina Fey ever worn
Tammy
like
Faye
crazy?
Baker.
Literally, I don't know how to save myself.
I think you've gone
I think
too
starting
far.
over, perhaps. Or yeah, blend it. Just blend it in.
Which one should I try?
something else.
I can't do colors. Like it doesn't work for
Ooh,
me.
that one looks pretty.
Purple seems a little weird.
No.
To have as
You
a-
look great with your hair.
I left the other mirror.
Do we have
in
any
my
makeup
office.
How
wipes?
does the show never have a mirror? Oh, that is really pretty.
This is fun. I think like this kind of reminds me of
Okay.
Fenty a little bit.
I feel like I should try something and really try to make it good.
I'm gonna
How do we
try.
feel?
That's
Um,
fun. I like it. Wear it to like an event or something.
To an event for like a special
Oh,
occasion.
I love this.
With the hair.
No,
I think
I
it looks
love
really
this.
good.
This is really
I don't
good.
know how I feel about the orange.
I feel like it's very fall.
Yeah.
Very like.
Very pumpkin.
It's
Very
pumpkin spice.
Thanksgiving.
It's very pumpkin spice.
I like it actually. You don't like it?
Me too.
I really like it.
I'm being positive.
Oh. I didn't see it like actually dead on.
What?
I'm just getting an
That
angle.
mirror has a different reflection.
Mirror.
You just walked out of the year 2000.
I feel like I did. Everything is very 2000s inspired.
I just need you to like put on your
Like-
juicy jumpsuit and you're ready to go. This is kind of cool. I like it on top if you layer them.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, put it in the middle so it's like ombre. I look like I've been dead. I was like, I fell in the snow and I've just.
I like that lip color though. Is that what Lily has on too?
I like the purple. I don't love this.
Yeah, and glitter is interesting.
Didn't you meet a guy, Lily, who drove your Lyft to the airport who was involved in pony play?
No. Okay, so I was on my way to the airport one
It's a
time.
great
And
story.
it was very, very early in the morning. And I get a text and it was like, oh, I'm outside. I'm like, okay, I'm coming. Calm down. So I go outside and I'm like, where's the lift? This is like, I don't see anyone.
God.
Then I look down the street and there's a car that is completely covered in stickers. I was like, oh no, I think that's it. And then the guy gets out of the car to help me with my suitcase because he was very polite, very nice.
Yeah, he was a sweet guy.
He
Look, no, I've heard the story so many times.
Okay, so the guy looked
guy.
very much like Zach Galifianakis from The Hangover.
Didn't he have on a Hawaiian lei?
He did, as well as a
Dancing
cowboy
Blue
hat
Girl? Ooh.
and a Hawaiian shirt.
Oh,
Because he
I like
said
him
that
already.
every ride with him, he wants it to feel like a vacation. And I was
Stop. Was there cocktails
oh
involved?
my God. No, I wish. It was 5 a.m. We have not spoken at all. We're just in the lift, and all of a sudden he goes, "Tell me something interesting." And I go, "About me or in general?" And he was like, "About you." I was like, "Well, I work for a YouTube channel." And he's like, "Oh, I have a YouTube channel." Somehow the conversation leads to fan fiction.
Took a turn.
Where he goes, "You know, I actually dabble in fan fiction quite a bit in my free time." And
People
I was
who
like,
dabble in fan
"Oh,
fiction.
really?" I did not ask for any more details. I was very much done with the conversation at this point. So then he very quickly tells me, because I stopped guessing, because I never started.
Bronies.
Bronies,
brony.
I was gonna say.
And he's in the LA.
If you
male
are
brony
unfamiliar, bronies are grown men specifically.
Men only.
I think.
Yep,
Yeah,
men.
they're bros. They're all
grown
dudes.
men that are obsessed with My Little Pony. And I don't think it's always a sexual thing. I think
No.
it's like also just
No,
like
they're
they
just
like
fans.
friendship and they just really like the show. So more power to you.
It's hard
But
to make friends.
apparently this guy was not only a brony fan fiction
Brony
author,
chorus. I'm looking it up.
but it was called the SoCal Pony Tones.
The pony tones.
Does he sing?
Oh, goodbye, Celestia, my baby.
They're really not bad.
They're like, what's that called? Those like barbershop.
Quartets.
Yeah. Is there a connection? Are they
It's a
mutually
bit of a leap
exclusive? Are they
there.
connected? Need to know.
Well, I'm feeling very My Little Pony-ified.
Oh,
too.
yeah,
It's
for
fine.
sure. Is there a movie coming?
It's out.
It's already out.
It's
Oh,
out.
okay. I'm
It's
gonna go
out.
watch it now.
If you're
Never
looking
heard
for
of
like
it
a discreet under the radar makeup look, this one's not for you, but this is fun for Halloween.
And let me know if you like this color. I really do.
Uh-huh.
I like the lip on both of you.
Okay, subscribe, like this video, comment below, do all the things. Yeah, I love you, bye.
Bye!
Click over to the left to see guys discuss the Me Too movement on Dude View, or to the right to see the girls experience a bee venom facial on Beauty Trippin'.